one of the oldest toys around. It consists of two equally sized, but not specifically equally weighted pieces of plastic connected with an axle with a string looped around the axle. Do you have any idea what we're talking about? It's the yo-yo, of course. Well, this year marks the 80th anniversary for the #1 maker of yo-yos, Duncan Toys. And here to celebrate is Brian Cabildo. We've got Brian, we've got Paul, and we've got Yoshi, right?
That's right.
Right. Okay. It's really great to have you all here because you're professional yo-yoers. This is really exciting.
Yeah.
You work for Duncan Toys.
That's
been around
correct.
for 80 years.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. So tell me about Duncan Toys, first of all, Brian.
Okay. Well, a little history about Duncan Toys. It was actually the yo-yo came over from a Filipino immigrant named Pedro Flores, and he was basically trying to sell yo-yos on the sidewalk. Donald Duncan saw this and he said, hey, I want to start a company selling those yo-yos. So he bought the yo-yo from Pedro Flores and then started his own company, and 80 years later, here we are, you know.
Celebrating 80 years of the yo-yo.
Timeless toy.
It is a timeless toy, actually, because I understand it's still the #1 toy, is it?
I believe so. I know there was a poll done by some, I forget.
So, yeah, it's okay. So what is the trick to using a yo-yo? And this is from the professional.
It's all in the wrist.
It's all in the wrist. Okay. We've got to see you guys do some yo-yo tricks, because I understand you can even do the sleeper, the basic sleeper. Yep. What is that? Now, who's going to perform for us?
Yoshi.
Okay, Yoshi. This is the basic sleeper. Oh, you know, Yoshi, okay, okay, that looks easy. All right, give it a shot, and then I'm going to give it a shot.
All right, so just hold the yo-yo, and you just have to flick your wrist.
Flick your wrist.
And just let it go. And to bring the yo-yo back up, you just have to give it a good tug, and then come back to your hand.
Got it. Okay, let me try. Okay, while I get ready, Brian, why don't you perform some other tricks for us, because this is just... Okay, what are you performing, Brian?
Let's see. I'll perform a boingy boing for you.
A boingy boing?
Yeah.
Okay.
See how it boings between the strings?
Oh my goodness.
And then this is called a Mach 5.
Do you have a special yo-yo or something that can do tricks, or is this just a regular original?
Well, these days we're using high precision aluminum yo-yos. So yes, of course, we still have to do the tricks. They don't do it for us. So, you know, it just makes the tricks a little easier because it spins much longer than it used to.
Okay, that I can't do. But I will try the basic sleeper.
Okay.
All right, what is the key? In the wrist, you said?
Yep.
Okay, so let me see, Yoshi.
Like right when you're extending your arm out, you just have to like...
Flick it.
Just like
no problem.
Just like you're throwing a frisbee.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Here we go. Basic sleeper trick.
There you go.
Oh.
Did you see it? I almost tricked you guys, huh?
Almost got it.
Wow, okay. Tell me a little bit more about you and being a professional. Is this what you do for a living, Yoshi, Paul?
Oh, well, I've been yo-yoing for 10 years, but not completely a professional. But I do it on and off. But it's fun. It's like a passion, a hobby.
Wow.
So to do it as a job is really great.
How are you commemorating the 80th anniversary then?
Well, it really all comes down to this tour, and what we're trying to do is just, you know, spread the love of yo-yos all over America. I believe this tour started in Ohio, and it's made its way across to the Pacific Northwest, went down California, and now we're going headed back through Texas all the way up to Massachusetts.
Okay, I'm going to hold this, and I want you guys to just do your thing right over here, because I think that's what people want to see, is you guys doing some yo-yo tricks. You work with Duncan, you're professional yo-yoers. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, you need two. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. And Brian, can you explain to us kind of what all of you all are doing?
Okay, well, what Paul here is doing is called single A, and basically that consists of yo-yoing with one yo-yo, okay? A little later, Yoshi will demonstrate 2A. But this is what, you know, what started it all, is just yo-yoing with the one yo-yo.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, Yoshi, I want to see your double yo-yoer. Yo-yoing.
Yeah, so this is double A. It's quite popular these days. You know, a lot of looping tricks as opposed to string tricks. A lot of round the world, shoot the moon with his right hand while he's looping with his left hand.
I can't believe this. How long does it take to learn how to do that?
It takes pretty long.
Pretty long time. Pretty long time.
But don't let that discourage you. There are kids. We actually had someone come out on tour with us who'd only been yo-yoing for 6 months. And he's an excellent player now.
All right. Yeah. Well, I think, unfortunately, we're out of time. But is there a website where people can go get more information in case they want to go to the tour?
Yes, go to duncancrew.org/tour.
There it is, right there on your screen, everybody.
Perfect.
Thank you all so much for being here.
Welcome.
That was enlightening. I loved it. I loved it. We'll be right back, everyone. There's more Central Valley Today coming up right after this.